Introducing the Smart Grip Cosmetic Bottle. Okay, so the Smart Grip Cosmetic Bottle is a revolutionary design created to solve common human factors problems in the bathroom, or more specifically, the shower. The bottle imitates the design of a normal cosmetic pump bottle, but with several additions. So the Smart Grip features a pump mechanism at the top that has a slightly extended back end, and this mimics a handle that's similar to a ball pump for sports balls, for instance. It's just smaller. Additionally, there's textured grips that are added on either side of the bottle's exterior. This allows the user to avoid any slippage, even if they're in the shower with wet or soapy hands. This also ensures that users of all ages and mobility levels can enjoy the bottle. Something else that's special about the Smart Grip bottle is that inside lies a cone-shaped bottom, and so the straw of the pump mechanism lies directly at the bottom of the bottle where the tip of the cone is located, and this allows for every single drop of product to be dispensed, which eliminates waste of product, and it saves a lot of money for the consumer in the long run. The bottle is reusable and easily washable, so that makes Smart Grip an environmentally friendly option. As we stated before, the bottle is designed with everyone in mind. So for families with young children, or for adults or individuals that have reduced dexterity, so they can't use their hands and fingers as well as they once were able to, or as others are able to. Also, the Smart Grip can be used in a commercial setting, so in a salon or spa, and this saves money for businesses as well. At a hair salon, the hair product is fully dispensed because of the Smart Grip's cone-shaped bottom. The Smart Grip's intuitive design supports accessibility and convenience, so like we said, it works for a wide range of people and lifestyles.
Moving on, we will talk about how the product is used by the customer and market description. First up, we have the challenges in the cosmetic bottle design. A key topic to talk about is the ergonomic and human factors issues. Slippery surfaces hinder usability and is often dropped, which can cause a spillage in the product. That equals product waste. Designs like flat bottom or convex shapes trap residual product, causing waste, and can cause you to exert more energy and force to receive the product, like shown in the video earlier. Lack of accessibility for users with limited grip strength impacts functionality, especially for the elderly. Next, let's dive into the competitor analysis, like the key players. Companies like Cosmopax, Specialty Bottle, and United States Plastic Corporations. The strengths they have are the aesthetics and the customization. The weaknesses is the lack of textured surfaces, ergonomic pumps, and interior optimized for full product usage. Lastly, let's talk about the market opportunity. Competitors focus on the appearance over functionality, which presents us an opportunity for innovation. Now let's talk about the Smart Grip's user-centered features. There are 3 key points. Innovative design elements, which include textured anti-slip surfaces around the bottle for better handling. We also added a cone-shaped interior to minimize product waste and help you receive your money's worth. We also included a sensitive pump with less than 35 newtons force for individuals with reduced dexterity. And lastly, the handle has an extended back end for improved grip and portability. Another thing we focused on is the sustainability, which is made with durable, eco-friendly materials. It aligns with growing demand for sustainable consumer products. And lastly, the value proposition. While slightly increasing production costs, these features justify a premium price by offering significant functional and environmental benefits. Here are the strategic advantages and market impact. So the target audience for a product Smart Grip include older adults, individuals with disabilities, environmentally conscious users, professionals in beauty and healthcare industries, or really anyone that showers or uses cosmetic products. The ergonomic benefits include accessibility informed by research, which is followed by dexterity challenges are common in seniors and can occur in all age groups. So stable textured grips and manageable weight, which is around 592 grams or 1.3 pounds, can reduce usability issues. So what about the market differentiation? Well, competitive edge through usability and sustainability integration will now address real-world pain points for broader consumer satisfaction. Now, for future positioning, our product, the Smart Grip, will establish Smart Grip as a leader in innovation and inclusive cosmetic packaging. This will bridge the gap between aesthetics, functionality, and sustainability to enhance market relevance.
Next, we want to look at the design. Many of you might ask, what makes Smart Grip better than the average bottle? To start, we have silicone grips on our bottle. The silicone grips are meant to improve the functionality of the bottle within the shower. There are silicone grips around the top and middle of the bottle and a ring around the bottom. This will create a more functional grip compared to traditional cosmetic bottles. When in the shower, bottles could often become slippery. The silicone grips will help you to hold on tight and not lose that bottle in the shower. Next, we have the inner cone structure. There's an inner cone structure at the bottom of the bottle within the bottle. The inner cone structure will slope all of the product down to the middle of the bottle, where the pump will be able to reach nearly 100% of product. This will help to minimize product waste, where in a traditional bottle, a lot of leftover product is left at the bottom that the pump cannot reach.
Moving on to our manufacturing plan. This is our manufacturing plan with a flow process diagram. And then we had to break that down into different steps. For the first step, we had to break it down into different parts. So we had the pump head, chamber, piston, spring, dip tube, sealing ring, bottom ring, raised dots, and the gasket. And then we had to determine different materials for each part. So for the pump head and chamber, we decided to go with HDPE because of its low environmental impact, durability, resistance to chemicals, and easiness to mold. Additionally, we chose PP plastic for the piston, dip tube, and seal ring because of its chemical resistance, flexibility, and cost effectiveness. And for the gasket, bottom ring, and raised dots, we chose silicone. This works perfectly for the texture grip because silicone is flexible, non-toxic, durable, and resistant to heat, wet environments, and chemicals. And finally, for the spring in the pump mechanism, we chose stainless steel because of its strength and elasticity, which is needed since the bottle will be used constantly. And then the next step would be deciding on the manufacturing process for each part. So for the pump head, we decided for the pump head, raised dots, the chamber, and the bottom ring, we decided to go with injection molding because of its minimized molding costs, and it's a very repeatable way of producing plastic, and it has low scrap rates, and it's ideal for mass production if demand were to ever heavily increase in the future. And then the piston and sealing ring also use injection molding, and then the dip tube would use extrusion molding, and then it would have to be cut to its desired size. And then the gasket would be used with die cutting. And then for the assembly of the chamber, bottom ring, and raised dots, there would have to be overmolding used. This is done by fusing the silicone with the HDPE plastic. And then once all the different parts are manufactured, there will be further inspections made, make sure functionality, quality, and durability are up to par, and then they will be packed and shipped to clients. Then these are the estimated costs, which include the manufacturing processes and the material used for each part. This cost mainly depends on the batch sizes for the different parts. And one thing we thought about was maybe not having high batch sizes, because it is a new company, and so we start off slow and then progress as we grow.
As you can see, Smart Grip's innovative design makes it suitable for handling in the wet conditions cosmetic bottles are frequently used in. No more constantly dropping the shampoo bottle in the shower or face wash bottles off your bathroom counter. This is especially important for the elderly population or those with otherwise limited dexterity. Its ability to be refilled with any product allows it to be used for both personal and commercial use. Its unique and sustainable design, the first of its kind, makes it the ideal choice for your next cosmetic bottle.